Happy morning students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics online class. Okay, have you all completed the homework problems? Have you checked with the book back answer? We are dealing with chapter 2, numbers and sequences, correct? And arithmetic progression in the last class we started and we learned some formulas also. General form, general term, then common difference, number of terms and etc. And we can continue the problems in that exercise. Okay, let's listen the class now. Okay dear students, listen. Example 2.25 up to example 2.24 we completed in the last class. Okay, now example 2.25, listen the question carefully. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term of an AP given by one arithmetic sequence is given. They said that it is arithmetic sequence. Okay, AP. So given AP we need to write first. Given AP 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. So here, what is the first term? First term we can denote it by A. So A is equal to 3. Then common difference, D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to, here, second term 15 minus 3, that is 12. Okay. So find the 15th term. So before that we need to write the nth term. We know that nth term. What is the nth term? How can we denote nth term? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is nth term. Got it? But here they asked 15th term. So T15. When n equal to 15, that is nth term. T15 is equal to A plus, in the place of n you need to put 15. So 15 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 14D. Now substitute the value for A and D. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 12. So 3 plus 14 into 12, which is equal to 3 plus 14 12s are. We need to calculate. So 14 into 12, 8, 2, 4, 1. So 8, 6, 1. 168. So 168 plus 3, the answer is 171. So T15 is 171. Got it? The one sequence is given. From that sequence we calculated A value, D value, and they asked 15th term. They asked two more terms also, 24th and the nth term. First 15th term. So 15th term means n equal to 15. So T15 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the answer. Now we are going to calculate T24. So n equal to 24, that meaning T24, 24th term. In the place of n you need to put 24. So A plus 24 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 23D. Previous step also you can substitute the value for A, that's no problem. So 3 plus 23 into D means 12. So 3 plus 23 12s are 23 into 12. 6, 4, 3, 2. 3, 7, 2. So 276. So T24 equal to 279. This is T24. That meaning 24th term. Okay. Then nth term we need to calculate. How can we find the nth term? Nth term means Tn. What's the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term. So n is n only, which is equal to A. What is the value? A is 3, D is 12. So A value 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. There is no value for n because they asked nth term only. N only. There is no other substitute. So 3 plus 12n minus 12, which is equal to 3 minus 12 minus 9 plus 12n. So Tn equal to, while arranging, 12n minus 3. That's all. Okay. So 3 questions they asked. 15th term, then 24th term, then nth term. All the 3 also we found. Shall we move for the next problem? Example 2.26 now. Okay. Take your textbook and you can see the question in page number 59. Listen this question, very easy question. Example 2.26, find the number of terms in the AP. What is the meaning of number of terms? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, then etc. some values. No. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to 20. So how many number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 14, value 16, 18. Will the remaining term? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms are here. That's that way. Here find the number of terms. How many number in this term, in this sequence? Okay. So first we need to write given sequence. Otherwise given AP, given arithmetic sequence. What's the given arithmetic sequence? 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. 111. So here first term. What's the meaning of first term? T1, otherwise A. Then D is equal to common difference T2 minus T1. So 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Then what's the formula? Already we learned. Number of term means N. The last class we studied, no? Yes. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Repeat this formula. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Okay. So N equal to, last term also you need to write here, last term 111. So 111 minus 3 by 3 plus 1. This 3 is first term. This 3 is common difference. Got it? So N is equal to, here while subtracting you can get, so 108, correct? 108 by 3 plus 1. First divide, then add. So 3 3s are 9, balance 1, 6 3s are 18. So N is equal to 37. So number of terms. Number of terms equal to 37. So how many terms in this sequence? There are 37 terms. In between, 3 dots, no? That in between how many terms are there? Totally from 3 to 111, 37 terms are there. Okay. Shall we move for the next problem? Listen dear students. Example 2.27. Determine the general term of the AP. We need to find the general term. That means Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Whose 7th term is given and 16th term is given. So first we know that Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here the general term. General term means this is nth term. Okay. Whose 7th term is given. So given T7 equal to minus 1. To T7 means here n equal to 7. So what is the meaning? A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to minus 1. Here in the place of 7 you need to, in place of n you need to substitute 7. So 7, T7 which is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 7 minus 1 into D. So A plus 7 minus 1, 6D equal to minus 1. Mark this is first equation. Okay. Then what is present? 16th term is 17. Also given T16 equal to 17. 16th term is 17. So what's the meaning of T16? A plus N minus 1. 16 minus 1 into D equal to 17. So A plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15D equal to 17. So this is equation number 2. We are going to solve 1 and 2 because we need general term. In the general term we need A and D value. N is N only because general term or nth term both is same. Both are same. Okay. So for now we are going to solve. Solving 1 and 2. Our aim is to find A and D. That's why we are solving these two equations. So A plus 6D equal to minus 1. A plus 15D equal to 17. So here just change of sign, minus, minus, minus. Got it? Then plus A and minus A gets cancel. After that here minus 9D equal to minus 18. So D is equal to minus 18 by minus 9. Minus and minus cancel, 2. So D is equal to 2. Substitute this D value in first equation, otherwise second equation. You will get A value. Okay. So first equation I am going to substitute. So first equation implies A plus 6D equal to minus 1. So A value we are going to find 6 into D value 2 which is equal to minus 1. So A plus 12 equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1 minus 12. What's the value for A? Minus 13. In the question they asked general term. General term, what's the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn equal to, nth term means n only here. A minus 13 plus n minus 1 into 2. Because D value 2. So multiply this 2 inside. Minus 13 plus 2n minus 2. Which is equal to 2n minus 13 minus 2 minus 15. This is the general term. It is nth term of the given sequence. Got it, students? Very, very simple problem. Here, first 7th term is given. So, see T7 equal to minus 1. And the definition we wrote A plus this formula. A plus 7 here means 7 minus 1 into D. After that, similarly for T16 also. Then we need to solve for getting A and D value. Got it? After getting A and D value, we need to substitute here general term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That's why we need to substitute and we will get the last answer general term. Okay. Now example 2.28. Listen dear students, example 2.28. If Lth, mth and nth terms of an AP are x, y, z respectively, then show that the two terms, two subdivisions are given. Got it? So first we need to write the given info as Lth, mth and nth term of an AP. Answer is given. Nth term means Tn. First term means T1. Second term means T2. So Lth term means TL. Given TL equal to respectively. So each L, therefore Lth term is X, mth term is Y, nth term is Z. Okay. So TL is equal to X. Then Tm equal to Y. Then Tn equal to Z. Got it, students? Okay. We know the general term formula. What is that? General term, we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the basic formula. So just we are going to apply this TL. So TL equal to A plus, here in the n place what is present? L is present. So L minus 1 into D. But what is TL? What is the value for TL? It is given that X. So X equal to A plus, multiply this D inside, LD minus D. Similarly, we need to do for other terms also. Tm equal to A plus, here in the place of n what is present? M is present. So M minus 1 into D. So Tm, what's the value? Y. So Y equal to A plus MD minus D. Got it? After that, for Z, Tn equal to A plus, same formula only, Tn, here also Tn. So n minus 1 into D. But actually the value for Tn is Z. Z equal to A plus, multiply this inside, Nd minus D. Got it, students? So this is the introduction and then first subdivision we are going to solve. Listen carefully. Okay, listen students. The first subdivision, this is the thing we need to prove. So we have, already we got no x, y, z, that value I written here. So now LHS. LHS we are going to take and we need to prove the RHS. So LHS means x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m, which is equal to, substitute the value for x here. X means this full value, a plus ld minus d into m minus n plus y value, second value, a plus md minus d into l minus l, sorry, n minus l plus z value, a plus nd minus d into L minus M. The letters you need to write carefully. Then bracket multiplication. First term into these two terms. First we need to multiply. Then second term into two terms. After that third term into two terms. Got it? So bracket multiplication. Everyone familiar with that concept? Okay, now A into M. AM minus AN. Then here plus MLD minus NLD minus MD plus ND. First Concept over. Then for second, an minus al plus mnd minus mld minus dn plus dl plus, here also just multiply, al minus am, you don't know correctly, no? First term into two terms, then next term into that two terms, then last term into that two terms. Then plus n dl minus mnd minus dl plus dm. Okay, check for the possible cancellation. Here, am, positive term, negative term. An, positive term, negative term. mld, positive, negative. nld, positive, negative. md, dm, correct? md and dm both are same only. nd, dl, al, mnd, dl. All the terms cancel. So what's the answer? 0. 0 is the answer, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved 1. First part we proved. Okay. Then we need to prove for the second part. Second one. Writing here. Second one. X minus y into n plus y minus z into L plus z minus x into m equal to 0. We have the factors we need to write. X equal to a plus L minus 1 LD. A plus LD minus D. Y is equal to a plus MD minus D. Z equal to a plus ND minus D. So here also this is first introduction part, already we learned. Then LHS. So first bracket terms we are going to find. After that multiplication factor. X minus y, then y minus z, then z minus x. First bracket term. X minus y, which is equal to, here x value, a plus LD minus D, bracket compulsory, minus a plus MD minus D. So just multiply the minus inside. A plus LD minus D minus A minus MD plus D. So any cancellation? A and A cancel, D and D cancel. So LD minus MD. Then similarly the second bracket, Y minus Z. Y means A plus MD minus D, bracket compulsory, minus A plus ND minus D. Multiply this minus inside. A plus MD minus D minus A minus ND plus D. So plus A and minus A gets cancelled. D and minus D cancel. So MD minus ND is the last term. After that, Z minus X. So Z means A plus ND minus D in minus A plus LD minus D, which is equal to A plus ND minus D minus A minus LD plus D. So minus and plus, both the terms cancel. So ND minus LD. Now bracket terms over. After that we are going to multiply with the N, L and M. Now X minus Y into N plus Y minus Z into L plus Z minus X into M, which is equal to X minus Y. What is the answer? We already found. LD minus MD into N. Just write N plus Y minus Z. MD minus ND into L plus ND minus LD into M. Just multiply all the terms. NLD minus MND plus MDL minus NDL plus MND minus MLD. So any terms for cancellation? Positive, negative. Positive, so negative, positive and negative, positive. We are getting 0 as the answer. That's why, hence, proved the second also. Okay dear students, got the concept? First bracket value you need to calculate. After finding the bracket value, just multiply this and check for the possible cancellation. You will get 0 as the answer. This is important 5 mark. You need to learn thoroughly because it's a very easy concept. No? Okay, listen. Take your textbook, turn to page number 60 and some notes we are going to learn. If every term is added or subtracted by a constant, the resulting sequence is also an AP. What's the meaning? Suppose I am considering one sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now I am adding one number plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So 3, 5, 7, 9. The resulting sequence is also AP. First one sequence is given. If we add a constant number to each term, the resulting sequence is also a AP because here 2 difference, here also 2 difference, here also 2 difference. That's the first one. If every term is multiplied or divided by the non-zero number, then the resulting sequence is also AP. First one AP is given. If you added or subtracted a common number to each term, the resulting sequences we are getting an AP. If we added, subtracted, multiplied or division also, 4 operations are possible. The resulting will be an AP only. Then, this is very important. If the sum of 3 consecutive numbers of the AP is given, 3 consecutive terms. What's the meaning of consecutive terms? Next numbers. Then they can be taken as 3 consecutive terms. If they ask means, you need to take it as A minus D, A plus D. A minus D, after that A, then A plus D. Suppose if they ask 4 consecutive terms means, you need to take it in the order A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Here the common difference is 2D, here the common difference is D. Okay, this concept, this model, here sum of 4 consecutive terms only, this model example, 2.29, we can learn this now. Listen. Listen dear students, in an AP, sum of 4 consecutive terms is 28. So let the 4 consecutive terms be 4 consecutive terms. Consecutive term means next terms. 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means continuously terms. The 4 consecutive terms we can be taken as B. How can we take A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. What is given? Sum is given. So sum. Sum means you need to add A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D, which is equal to what is given? 28. So here any possible cancellation? 3D, 3D, D, D. So remaining A plus A plus A plus A. So 4A equal to 28. So A equal to 28 by 4. What is the answer? 7. So A is equal to 7. Okay, we got. Then, and the sum of their squares is, first we need to take square and then their sum. Sum of the squares is 276. Also given sum of their square. First you need to take square. A minus 3D the whole square. Then A minus D the whole square. Then A plus D the whole square. Then A plus 3D the whole square. So each term connected with plus because their sum only they given. So sum of the square. For square we need to take after that their sum, which is equal to 276. Got it? Then we need to expand using which formula? A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square minus 2AB. 2 into A into 3D plus 3D the whole square. After that A minus D the whole square means A square minus 2AB plus D square plus A square plus 2AD plus D square plus A square plus 2 into A into 3D plus 3D the whole square, which is equal to 276. Got it students? After that A square minus here 6AD plus 9D square plus A square minus 2AD plus D square plus A square plus 2AD plus D square plus A square plus 6AD plus 9D square equal to 276. Then cancel the possible terms. Here. Will cancel, no? After that, here A square, 4A square. Then D square plus, here, not this. 9D square, D square, 9D square. So 20D square. So 20D square equal to 276. Already we know the value for A. Substitute here. 4 into 7 square plus 20 d square equal to 276. So 4 into 49 plus 20 d square equal to 276. So 49 fours are here 36 3 balance 196, correct? So 196 plus 20 d square equal to 276. So 20 d square equal to 276 minus 196. So what is the answer? Here 80, I think so. 196 plus 80. So 20 d square equal to 80. So d square equal to 80 by 20. What is the answer? 4. So d square equal to 4. So d equal to plus or minus 2. Because 2 values we will get. No. Why? 2 square is also 4. Minus 2 the whole square also 4. So root of 4 is this 2. And here minus 2 also comes. So plus or minus 2. Then we need to find the 4 numbers. So case 1. What is case 1? When a equal to 7, d equal to 2. The 4 numbers are. What are the 4 numbers? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Substitute here. 7 minus 3 into 2, 7 minus 2, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 3 into 2. Which equals 7 minus 6. Here 5, 9, 7 plus 6. Which implies 1, 5, 9, 13. Okay. Then case 2. When a equal to 7, d equal to minus 2. We need to calculate this also. The 4 numbers are. What are the 4 numbers? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So just substitute here. 7 minus 3 into minus 2, 7 minus minus 2, 7 plus minus 2 and 7 plus 3 into minus 2. So 7 plus 6, 13, 7 plus 2, 9, 7 minus 5, 7 plus minus 6, 1. So this one and this one are the required answer. Here the number, the second case they will come in reverse order. That's why you can check. Therefore the 4 consecutive terms are 1, 5, 9 and 13. Okay, once again I am repeating this question. Listen carefully. In an AP, sum of 4 consecutive terms is given. So let the 4 consecutive terms we need to take. A minus 3d, A minus d, A plus d, A plus 3d. Before the hint there is given in the textbook. You can refer the page number 60 for reference. Okay. Inside that column, note column in your textbook. So here sum is given 28. So just add and cancel the possibilities. You will get the value for A. Then sum of the square. Taking square and adding and expanding by the formula of a minus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square, you will get the answer for D. D answer you will get 2D value. Then a value only one value, one a value and one D value. Then again a value and one more D value, you will get the consecutive terms. So what's the final answer? The 4 consecutive terms are 1, 5, 9 and 13. That's all. Okay. Okay, shall we mark the homework problems now? Mark the homework problem. There is only one homework problem in that exercise. 4th problem. Find the 19th term of the AP. So T19 you need to calculate. First A value write, then D value find, then substitute, then T19. What's the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. What's the meaning? A plus 19 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 18D. In that value, substitute the value for A and D. You will get the answer. So only one homework problem that you need to complete. Okay, students? In that exercise 2.5, second Roman, there are 3 problems. 2 problems you already did at homework, and now listen the 3rd problem. Listen students, very simple concept. They asked AP. So general form we wrote A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So A value is substitute, then A plus D value. Then A plus 2 into D value. Then A plus 3 into D value. After that we need to convert into unlike into like fraction. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus here 1 by 2. No. So into 2 into 2. Then only we will get 4. Here also 2 by 2. So into 2 into 2. Here also 2 denominator. So into 2 into 2. Then 3 by 4. Here 3 plus 2 by 4. Then 3 plus 4 by 4. Then 3 plus 6 by 4. After that just add it. You will get the answer. So today we can wind up our class. This time exercise 2.5 first Roman second Roman fully completed. And then fourth question is homework. In the next class we can see the remaining problems. Okay students, learn your daily portions and at least 5 to 10 problems you need to learn every day and complete the homework whenever you are getting the time. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.